TV4Education frequently asked questions. Today, we're on question number 4. It's not a question, it's more a statement. And generally, it's made by a competitor or someone with more a derogatory attitude, and they refer to TV4Education as a cheap solution. We take that as a compliment because TV4Education is a very cost-effective solution. But more importantly, it's not all about cost. It's about the features and functions that the solution provides. And then on top of that, if it's not expensive, that's just a bonus. So we are very proud that TV4Education is the largest. It's the most comprehensive database on the market. As at May 2019, it has over 170,000 items, and it grows at a rate of about 200 to 250 new videos added every week. Additionally, we're just proud of the fact that as a subscriber, your teachers can have unlimited questions for any topic. So you can request content on absolutely any topic, any curriculum that you need to teach, and within 48 hours we'll come back to you with a list which may not necessarily be currently in TV4Education, but we will source material for you. Nobody else does that. And everything you get from us is absolutely free of all advertisements. I challenge you, rather than to look at TV4Education as a cheap solution, I believe that the correct question that should be asked is, why are you paying so much more money for the solution you've got when it provides a small fraction of what TV4Education provides? That's the real question.